I'm here with Philippe Coppens, who is Manager Technology for Pioneer. We're at IFA 2010. We're in front of the new AV receivers, the flagship receivers from Pioneer. You're going to give us a quick overview,
okay,
and we'll get a little bit about the technology, and then you're going to present the Blu-ray Player, which is really a world premiere here.
Indeed, it is, yes. So what we're showing over here is our SC-LX83, which is the top of the line of our AV receivers. What is specific about this new generation of the AV receiver is that it's actually the fourth generation of our digital amplification platform, which we're using in our high-end, top-level audio products. Fourth generation, that means it started with the Susano, our flagship AV amplifier, which we still have in our lineup. But this is actually a complete rework of the platform. We call it our Direct Energy HD platform. It's probably the most performant in its class in terms of being capable of delivering continuous power to all channels at the same level without any power loss. So it's really, if you need power, this is the way to go. Now, a few of the things which we changed in this product. First of all, we've integrated 32-bit processing internally, so it has 32-bit DACs, it upscales the content. In terms of connectivity, we looked at what our users have in terms of content and how they store the content, and this integrates about anything which you can probably have in terms of digital connectivity. So it goes from out of the box Bluetooth connectivity. Obviously we have our capability to connect directly in digital way to these devices, which we already started before that. Whatever you want, you can connect it, and it can process, of course, all the contents with all the typical audio processing features which you might dream of. Obviously, it's not just a source player, it can also handle video. It can upscale video in any HDMI format which you want, presumably 1080p output. Talking about video, it's for sure capable of handling 3D content.
That's the big change.
And that's maybe a good link to briefly refer to this device, which is actually the first time we show it publicly. And that's our 3D capable Blu-ray player, which we will introduce towards the end of this year. So for Christmas you'll definitely be able to buy it.
Keep posted, we'll be telling them more about it soon.
Yeah, for sure. Now, if you combine these two devices, again we make use of the Pioneer proprietary capability to basically eliminate jitter on HDMI. Our PQLS technology, precision quartz lock technology, allows us to transfer the audio from the Blu-ray device into the AV receiver without having any jitter, digital jitter, which is a possible and typical problem on HDMI, which is originally, of course, more a video connection rather than an audio connection. Apart from that, connectivity, everything is there, I mentioned it, front connectivity, back connectivity. The other thing that users obviously are interested in is how to control the device. And also here we've integrated about anything which we thought most users might want to have in terms of capabilities. If you're really into the integration business, it does have, of course, an Ethernet port. It can be controlled over Ethernet, apart from the fact that it can also access your content over Ethernet, be it on a DLNA server, internet radio through vTuner, whatever you want. So that's one level of connectivity. Of course, the control application which we introduced with our regular line of AV receivers a bit earlier this year is of course also supported over here, so you want to control the volume through your iPod. Does work perfectly. What is special about this is that we integrated in the box a remote that can not only handle the typical IR commands but also RF. So you can connect a little controller to the product, it's in the box, and then you will get all information over here on this neat little screen, which is actually an OEL's small screen. It will get feedback from the AV receiver and show everything over here. So you hide it away in somewhere in another room even, you will be able to control the device, get feedback from the device, so anything that would appear over here will be shown over here, even song titles of what you're playing, so it's all there. Now obviously if you want to hide this away, you've got probably other devices. In the box again, there is the capability to have blasters to connect non-controllable devices that do not understand RF. So you can convert RF commands into IR commands locally. So it's really a fully...
Does everything you want?
Whatever you want. This is the way to go.
And there are two models in the range. There's the 83 and the 73. It's just a difference of
there's a minor difference in terms of the power, and there are a few differences in terms of actual capabilities of features and so. So this is actually the top model, which we're obviously very proud of. Well, I think if you're looking for a powerful AV receiver, this is surely the way to go.
Thank you very much for this wonderful presentation. If people want more information, they can find the technical specs on your website.
Definitely.
But I suggest you go to the store and take a listen. That's the best way to do it. Thank you very much. It's been a
My pleasure.
pleasure.
Have a nice show.